Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this bodies design easily and clearly. And guys, this is a exhaust manifold design, and this is a 5 pipe, and this exhaust manifold is a 5 pipe, and 5 pipe is a very nice looking here. And this is available today. Drafting is also, you can see here easily. And okay, this is a top view, and this is a front view, and this is a right view. All dimension and all geometry easily detailed here, you can see here easily and clearly. And this is a all dimension in millimeter, and all fillet is 1 millimeter, and all chamfer is 2 millimeter, and pipe fillet is 98 millimeter, and pipe fillet is 68 millimeter. Means this is a pipe fillet is a this fillet is a 68 millimeter and 98 millimeter. And all geometry and all dimension you can see here easily. And this geometry, the help of this body's design, and how to this body's design easily and clearly, you can see here. Okay, this is this body is design, and this is looking perfect and correct, and this hole is also looking perfect, and this is very useful and helpful okay, this project, and how to this body is design easily and clearly. Okay, let's start here. This body is design. Okay, and isometric view is also, this is a perfect. Okay, let's start here. This body is design. At first the part click here, and some setting is a very important. This is a plain white, and use this system option is going to document property, and image quality is very high because this geometry is looking perfect. Okay, and okay, at first drawing this part, and this part is a dimension is a this big circle is 104 millimeter, and this cutout is a 72 millimeter, and this distance between two center is a 136 millimeter, and this a small circle is 17 millimeter is diameter, and this 32 millimeter is big circle. And the important things, the angle between two line is a 38 degree. Okay, this is a very important. Okay, at first select a plane is a front plane, and okay, this is a correct. And some line is a drawing here, because this line is a reference line, and the line is a help of drawing this body. Okay, and two line is drawing here. Okay, select this line and press a control button and select this point and use a coincident. Okay, and again select this line and this point and use a midpoint. Okay, this is a very important. And the angle between these two line is a 38 degree, and this is a very useful. Okay, and next is a drawing two circle, three circle is drawing here. First circle is drawing this a big circle, and two small circle is drawing here, two end point. Okay, and this is a very useful. And both circle press a control button, and both circle is select here, and some relation is this equal. Okay, and connect to this line to this is a tangent, and one by one all is a connect here. Okay, and also this is a connect here, connect to this, and all line is a tangent, because this is a very important. Okay, Okay, this is a connect to this okay, and all this both is a tangent and use also tangent, and this is a select here and use a tangent and also tangent. Okay, and dimension is a this big circle is 104 and cutout is next. Okay, this is 34 millimeter diameter, 32 millimeter. Okay, align a dimension is this is a 34 millimeter and big circle is 104 millimeter. Okay, and this distance between two center point 136 millimeter is perfect. Okay, all is perfect. Okay, all is perfect and correct. This is a okay, this is a perfect 32 millimeter. Okay, 32 millimeter and 32 millimeter is better. Okay, this is a perfect, and this is use a touch here and very nice, and this is a fully defined because this body, this is a geometry is a this is a black color means this all geometry is fully defined, and some trim command is used here and use a power trim, and some extra portion is delete here because this is a okay looking perfect, and all extra portion is delete here and correct. Okay, and click OK, and use a extrude boss, and this thickness is a okay, this thickness is a 12 millimeter and this thickness is 10 millimeter, and this use a 10 millimeter and blind and okay. Okay, this is very nice looking here, and use a this face sketch normal, and again select a drawing this a big circle, and this use a cutout, and cutout is a okay, again select this and use a this. Okay, and also this press a control button and both circle is selected and use a equal, and okay, this is a 17 millimeter and this is a 72 millimeter and both is a cutout. Okay, and use a extrude cut, and cut is a through all and click OK. This cutout is a very nice looking here and okay. Okay, next is use here one is correct, and this pattern is a 5 and use a 1, this distance is a this center to point to this both center distance is a 120 millimeter and pattern is 5. Okay, again select this sketch normal and use a line because this line is use the help of this pattern. Okay, this line is drawing here, this line is a click a horizontal. Okay, and use a pattern is a linear pattern click this line and pattern is 5 and this distance is 120 millimeter. Okay, and this body is select here and this okay, and use a reverse direction and pattern is 5 and this distance is a 120. Okay, this is a spacing and instances distance between two center is 120 millimeter, pattern is 5. Okay, all is perfect, and this is a height because this body is looking perfect, and isometric view is okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and next is use here this is a distance is 171 millimeter is this, and use a drawing this body, and this body is a this between distance is 130 millimeter, and this distance is a 106 millimeter, and this big circle is cut out is 72 millimeter, is perfect, and a small circle is 16 millimeter, and this big circle is 34 millimeter. Click OK, and again select a top plane and use a create a plane, and this distance is 171 millimeter, and direction is flips offset, and click OK. Okay, this is a very nice looking here, and this plane sketch normal. Okay, this is a perfect. Draw a this use a center line and connect this point to this. Okay, and again click a center line and draw a line, is a vertical line is drawing here. This is a okay, and this vertical line is correct, and this plane is hide. Okay, because all is looking perfect. Okay, and drawing use a hexagon. Hexagon is a this is a 3 parameter is 3. Inscribe circle and click this, and drawing a triangle, and all select all 3 edges and use a construction. Okay, and this is a horizontal, perfect, and this geometry is this 130 millimeter, this center to this point, and okay, this center to this point is distance is a 130 millimeter. Okay, and okay, and also draw this circle is drawing here, and this circle is a 2 circle is drawing. Okay, and this circle is drawing easily, because this is a use a pattern, and a circle is drawing here. Okay, at first okay, and this is a connect to this, and all one by one is connect, and you remember all is a tangent connected here, because tangent is a okay, or this is not connect a tangent, because you can select a both line and use a relation is tangent. Okay, all is perfect, and this line is not tangent, use a tangent. Okay, this is also tangent, this is correct. Okay, and this distance is a okay, this is a big circle is 34, and a small circle is cut out is a 16 millimeter, and use this to this point to this distance is 106 millimeter. Okay, and align a dimension. Okay, this point to this distance is a 106 millimeter. Okay, and this big okay, and some relation is all big circle is select here and use equal relation, and a small circle is also select, press a control button and all is select here and use a equal. Okay, and the big circle is a 34 millimeter and a small circle is 16 millimeter. Okay, and this is a perfect and connect to this is a okay, this is a perfect okay, connect to this tangent connected here, and this is a 32 millimeter 672 millimeter because this is a cutout. Okay, all is perfect because this is a black color is means this is a fully defined, and some extra portion is delete here and deleted this. Okay, this is a delete here and also this is a delete here. Okay, this is a delete here and correct. Click OK. Okay, and use a extrude boss. Extrude boss is a this thickness is a 12 millimeter and this thickness is 12 millimeter is perfect, and use a okay, this is a perfect okay, this is a very nice look, very nice looking here, and this is a very important, and this pipe is drawing here and pipe to connect to this body to this. Okay, all is perfect and this use a 114 millimeter this thickness, this length, and this is a 54 millimeter, and this is a very important, and this use a 3D sketch, and 3D sketch is connect here a line is connect, line is select here, and use this circle is this center, and this okay, this is a perfect this line is a perfect drawing here, and again select this line and use a this center is a distance is a this. Okay, and this is a okay, this okay, this is a perfect and correct and also connect a line, connect to this point to this and use a this. Okay, this is a very nice looking here, and align a dimension. This diameter is a 104 millimeter. Okay, and this is a 54 millimeter. 54 millimeter is this, and some use a downward because this is a connect a center. Okay, this is a correct and some use of fillet. Fillet is pipe fillet is 98 millimeter and fillet is 68 millimeter is used here, and use of fillet. Fillet is a 98 okay, 98 millimeter, and use okay, 98 millimeter is this. Okay, and 68 millimeter is this point is this, and okay, and okay. Okay, and exit, and next is this face is select sketch and draw. Okay, this select here and use a convert entities and click OK. Okay, and use a profile is also select here and use a path is drawing here, and use a swept boss base, and this profile is automatic select here and use a path, and this pipe is drawing here and connect to this point to this and use click OK. This is a perfect and correct. Okay, next is a okay, this is a drawing here is perfect okay, okay, and next is a again select this is a 3D sketch and drawing a click a line, and line is a perfect, and this is a this okay, select a this, and this is a drawing here. Okay, this is a vertical. Okay, and again select a line. A line is a use this circle, and this circle is drawing a this, and again select a vertical, both is vertical, and again select a line, connect to this line to this. Okay, and align a dimension. This is a use a 104 millimeter, and this use a 54 millimeter, but this point is not a center, and connect to this center is this, and also this is a okay, and connect to this point is drag here. Okay, okay, all is perfect. And this is a 68 millimeter is this, and 98 millimeter is this, and click OK and OK. But this is a this drag here. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a black color, means this is a fully defined, and exit, and also select this face, sketch, and draw, select this, and use a convert entities, and click OK, and apply a swept boss base. And swept boss base is for this profile is automatic. Select here and click a path. Path is a select here. Okay, but this is not a okay, this is a okay, and this use a edit a sketch, and drawing a this, and also this sketch is also editing here, and this okay, and this line is a delete here. Okay, and select this line, and use this circle is a drawing here, and use this. Okay, connect to this, and some important point is discussed here, and this dimension is a 54 millimeter, and okay, okay, this is a perfect. And this use a 104 millimeter, and click OK, and again select a swept boss base, and this profile is select here, and this path is okay. This is a very nice looking here. Okay, and click OK. Okay, 2 is a drawing a perfect, and and next is a okay, this is a very important, and again select this 3D sketch, and 3D sketch is drawing a okay, select a construction line, this center to drawing this vertical. This line is a select a vertical, okay, not vertical, then use a press a tab and select a vertical line and use a this is a perpendicular line is drawing here, and this line and this line is very nice looking here, and exit and use a plane is created here and select this and this, click OK, and some mirror is also, and mirror is a select a to first and second, okay, this is a very nice, okay, this is a use this but okay, and edit, and also this is delete here, and one is perfect and click OK. Okay, okay, and this is a one is a drawer and this is a copy. Okay, this is a perfect perfect and correct, and also and again select a 3D sketch and drawing a drawing, okay, select a this and drawing this center a line is a this is a vertical line, this line is a vertical, okay, and again select a line and this is a use a this and draw a vertical line, okay, this is not vertical and delete here, and again select line, line is a select this center and this distance is a not perfect and use a, okay, this is a press a tab button and click, oh, this is a vertical, okay, and two vertical line and again select a line and connect to this to this, okay, okay, this is a perfect and also this geometry is a 104 millimeter and select this is a 54 millimeter, okay, and this is a very nice looking here, and also this fillet is used here, and this 98 is this, and 68 is this, click OK, click OK, and this is a drag here this and this center to this, okay, perfect, but this point is also drag here, okay, this is not drag here, this is a fix, but this line is a not, this also drag here, and okay, this is a perfect line is connect to this center line, coincident, okay, this is a perfect and exit, and next line is this face is selected a sketch and select this line, use a convert entities, and also this is a perfect and exit, and use a swept boss base, and this profile is selected and click a path is also this is a perfect click OK, okay, this is very nice looking here, but and again select a mirror. Mirror is this, mirror is a this. Okay, plane is select here and use a this and use a this and click OK. Okay, and this plane is hide because this body is looking perfect, and this plane is also hide. Okay, and cell command is a use here, and 1 millimeter is cell command is use, and all face is select here. This 1 by 1 is select here, and also this, and use OK. Okay, this is a very nice looking here, and okay, this is a perfect, and some material is apply here and use a material is a this metal is a nickel is a this. Okay, this is a perfect and correct, and one. Okay, this all fillet is 1 millimeter and chamfer is a 2 millimeter is correct, and this use a chamfer is 2 millimeter 45 degree angle, and all select a 1 by 1. Okay, this and okay and also select a chamfer is this, and click OK, and also select a chamfer is 2 millimeter and 45 degree angle, and this, and not a multiple, select here. Okay, chamfer is also select here is this, click OK, and also select a this. Okay, and next last is a click this is a 2 millimeter 45 degree angle is select here this, and click OK. But next point is a 1 millimeter is fillet is used here, and select a this face and use a 1 millimeter, and select a back side is also this is a OK, and also select a fillet is a use this face, and back side face is also this face, click OK, and fillet is use this is okay, this face, and back side is also this face, and click OK, and okay, select this face and select this face. Okay, and also and use this, and back side and front side is both face is select here 1 by 1, and last is a fillet is use 1 millimeter, select this face and use a back. Okay, this face is click OK. Okay, all is perfect and correct, and also fillet is used here, and click this line, but this 1 millimeter, and also select a 2 millimeter, and okay, this is a 3 millimeter increase, and also this is a 4 millimeter, and click OK. Then some very nice looking here. Okay, and also use a fillet is this, and also select this is a correct and perfect. Okay, this is a okay, not use here, but some okay, and this is a very nice looking here. Okay, and this is a 5, this body is a exhaust manifold, connect 5 pipe, and 5 pipe is a very nice looking here, and all is perfect and correct. Okay guys, I hope you will learn all process is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this bodies design easily and clearly. And guys, this is a isometric view, and this part is a union design, and this part is a this body is a fully gate wall project, and this part is a okay, this gate wall project, a part of this gate wall project, and this is a union design, and how to this part is designed easily and clearly. Okay, and also 2D drafting is also available here, and this is a all dimension, all geometry is looking here, you can see here easily and clearly. And this is a assemble body, all parts is assembled here, and this final project is a gate wall project, and this union part is designed here. Okay, today discuss here a very important lecture. This lecture is very important for beginner student, and okay, and some zoom, this is a okay, this is a correct, and also this is a perfect, and all dimension is you can see here easily. And this is a this at first drawing a center line, and drawing this body is separate, and this body is separate, and this middle body is this is a hexagon, and below side a body and upper side a body is this geometry is looking here, and this is a hexagon is drawing here and connect to both body. Okay, at first one body separately is drawing here easily. Okay, and let's start here. This body is designed easily and clearly. Okay, this is a body is drawing here easily and clearly looking perfect, and isometric view is also perfect looking here, and all geometry and all line is perfect here, and all is perfect and correct. Okay, and this is looking perfect, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. Okay, let's start here. This body is design. Okay, at first some setting is drawing here, very important. This is a plain white, and going to option, document properties, image quality is very high because all line, all geometry line is looking perfect. Okay, and all is perfect, and at first select a right plane because right plane is better. Okay, at first drawing this select a center line, very important, and center line distance is a midpoint. this line select and press a control button, and this point is selected, and this is a midpoint. Okay, and align this dimension. This dimension is a 50 millimeter. Okay, and okay, all is perfect. This is a 50 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and some geometry is a draw here, and this geometry is a this. Okay, and this is a perfect, and draw a line. Line is a this, and this drawing a this geometry, and this geometry is a perfect. Okay, and this line is connect to this. Okay, drawing a this, and connect to this. Okay, and this line is a this. Okay, and this line and this line is a vertical. Okay, okay, align a dimension. Dimension is this. This is a 1 millimeter. Okay, okay, at first okay, this is a line is this. Okay, draw, select 1 millimeter this, but okay, and this line is a delete here, and okay, also delete here. Okay, connect to this, and select a line, draw a line. This is this to this, and this line is a vertical. Okay, and also select a this line is a 1 millimeter. Okay, and 1 millimeter and perfect, and this to this line is a 12 millimeter, and this point to this line is a 20 millimeter. Okay, and this line is a draw 18 millimeter, and this is a 13 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and some this point is drag here. Okay, and this point to this line is a vertical, and okay, and this is a okay, all is, and also this. Okay, and this is a 2 millimeter is perfect. Okay, okay, all is a black color means this is a fully defined. This symmetry is a draw here. This is a perfect, and next geometry is also drawing here. Okay, all is a perfect, and this is a this geometry is a, you can see here, this is a 20 millimeter. Okay, and this is 18 millimeter and 13 millimeter. You can see here, this is a 20 millimeter, and this is a 18 millimeter and 13 millimeter, and this height is a this to this is a height is a 12 millimeter, and this is a 1 millimeter, and radius is 2 millimeter. Okay, all is perfect, but this 18 millimeter is this height is this circle is drawing here this, but this is all is perfect. And next geometry is drawing here, and this select a line is drawing this is connect to this line is drawing here, this to this drawing a geometry, and connect this line is a simple geometry is draw here, and all dimension is a connect to this, and this is line is a some drag line is inclined and connect to this, and this line is this. Okay, and align all dimension is a perfect and correct. At first select this line, and this point is a okay, this point and this point is a horizontal, and also this point and this point is a horizontal. Okay, and align a dimension is this is a 10 millimeter, this to this 10 millimeter, and also this is a dimension is a 12 millimeter, and this is a incline is a 1 millimeter. Okay, all is perfect, and this is a 7 millimeter is perfect, and also this is a 7 millimeter is this, and this use a 6 millimeter is this. Okay, and this line is also 1 millimeter. Perfect, and next is this distance is 11 millimeter, and also this is okay, and also 11 millimeter is okay, and this is delete here some relation, not this is a perfect, some relation is this, delete here, and line is drawing this. Okay, this line is drag here because this relation is not okay, and this use this is 11 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and this is 8 millimeter, and this use 3.5 millimeter. Okay, all is perfect, and this use this, and this 7 millimeter and 1 millimeter is this. Okay, all is perfect and correct, and this also this. Okay, And next, and this is a use a this a line is this is distance is this 11 millimeter, and also this 11 millimeter, and this is a 1 millimeter, and height is this is a 8 millimeter, and also this height is 8 millimeter, this and this is a 3.5 millimeter, and also this is a 1 millimeter, and this is a 7 millimeter, and 10 millimeter, and 12 millimeter is this is a 12 millimeter, and this is a 10 millimeter, and this is a 7 millimeter, and also this is a 6 millimeter and 7 millimeter. Okay, all dimension is looking perfect and correct. This is a correct. All is a black color, and some dimension is this and this dimension is perfect. Okay, okay, and all dimension is correct. And going to revolve boss and use this to this. Okay, all is perfect. Click OK. Okay, all is looking perfect. And sketch, select this face, sketch, normal, drawing a hexagon. Hexagon is this hexagon. Okay, and again select a circle is drawing here, this to this, but some dimension is showing here. This circle diameter is 18 millimeter, and this is a hexagon. Hexagon is a connect to this 2 point is a 27 millimeter. Also at first select this point, and this point is a vertical. Okay, select this two line is a 27 millimeter, and circle diameter is 18 millimeter. Okay, all is perfect. And going to extrude boss, apply here, and this is a perfect. And going to up to surface, and surface this is a this surface is connect. Okay, and click OK. Okay, all union and all point is a perfect and correct. Drawing here, and some material is apply here, and this is a use a nickel. Nickel is polished nickel is perfect and correct. Okay, this union part is easily drawing here, and isometric view is also perfect. Okay, and this union part and all dimension is you can see here easily, and drawing this part, and okay, this is a perfect. Okay guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, get any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. Guys, this is a hydraulic pump project, and this part is a drawing here. This is a end plate design, and this plate is a end plate, and this is a dry plate. Okay, this is a dry plate and this is a end plate, and this lecture is a drawing a end plate design and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, this is a 2D drafting is also available here, and also this is a front view, and this is a right view, and this is a top view, and all three view is you can see here on the screen, and all geometry line and all dimension is clearly learner, and all dimension in millimeter. Okay, and how to this body is a this is a right letter, and how to all process is learner, and this lecture is very important for a beginner student. Okay, this body is drawing here, and how to this body is drawing in a Solidworks software, and this use a this is a very nice looking here, and material is apply here also brush. Okay, and this is a very nice looking here. Okay, this is a perfect and correct drawing this body. Okay, and this is a very nice looking here. Okay, and guys, this body is drawing. Let's start here. This body is design. Okay, at first select a part, and part is select here, and some settings very important. Plain white, and going to this option, and option is going to document properties, and image quality is very high because all geometry line is looking perfect and correct. Okay, and at first select a plane. A plane is a front plane is better, is drawing this body. Okay, at first drawing this sketch is drawing here. Okay, this is a very nice looking here. All dimension is a perfect drawing here. Okay, at first select this is a 29.5 this distance, and this is a 42 is this distance, and 16.68, and this two circle is drawing here. This is a 58 millimeter. Okay, and this is a circle is a radius is 50 millimeter. Okay, select a front plane drawing this body. At first this construction line is drawing here. Okay, at first use a center point arc, and at first center point arc, click this origin, draw a curve. Okay, this is a curve is a drawing here. Okay, and two end point is a select here, press a control button, and this is a horizontal. Okay, and define a dimension. This dimension is a 50. Okay, radius is 50. Drag us. Okay, this is a drawing a at first drawing a circle, and this circle is a diameter is a 10 point. Okay, this drawing a circle is diameter is 10.2 millimeter. This is a 10.2 millimeter. 10.2 millimeter. Okay, this and this point 2, this is a drawing a 29 millimeter, 29.5 millimeter. Okay, and this is a 29.5 millimeter. Again select a mirror, and this circle is select here, this plane. Okay, and distance between this two circle distance is a 58 millimeter. Okay, this is a perfect. And this is a drag here. Okay, okay, this okay, and next is a drawing here. Okay, and drawing this okay, select a line. Okay, at first select a 3-point arc, and arc is a drawing here this and draw this and select okay, this and this point, and press a control button and select this point is a this is a merge. Okay, and this diameter, this define a dimension is a 11 millimeter, because this is a radius is 11 millimeter is perfect, and 16 millimeter is also used here, but this is a radius is 11 millimeter. And some important points, this line is a drag here, this and this 2 point is a relation is a horizontal. Okay, and this is a very important relation, and a line is select here, draw some line is a drag here or horizontal, and some incline, and this is a and connect to this. Okay, this is a very important. And this relation is a this distance between is a 42 millimeter. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. And this is a 42 millimeter is this use here, and 29.5 millimeter is also, and distance between a two circle center is a 58 millimeter is perfect, and this big circle is a 50 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and this also use here this okay, and okay, and some important point, this this is a okay, and a fillet is used here. A fillet is a 1.5 millimeter, and use this and also a 5 millimeter is fillet is used here, this. Okay, okay, and both fillet is very important. Okay, okay, this is very nice looking here, and all. Okay, this fillet is used here, this is a 1.5 millimeter, and this is a 5 millimeter is this radius is 5 millimeter is this fillet is used here. Okay, all is a perfect and correct, and select a mirror. Mirror is a select this, and also one by one is all is a select here. Okay, and select a mirror about this line, and okay, this is a perfect and correct. But this is a line is a some extra line, this is a trim, and select this. Okay, and okay, but all point is connect here, and also use a mirror about this. Okay, not again, mirror about this is a select this. Okay, about this line is horizontal line, and all is a perfect. Okay, all is connect here, this is a connect and perfect use here. Okay, all geometry line is looking perfect and correct, and going to this extrude boss base, and this thickness is a this is a 12 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and this 12 millimeter is perfect, and click OK. Okay, this is a very nice looking here, and this is a perfect drawing here. Okay, and again select this face, sketch, normal. Okay, and again drawing a construction. This is a construction line is a this line is very important. Drawing a sum. Okay, draw a circle. Circle is a this above a origin, and draw a big circle, and this diameter is a 41.7 millimeter is perfect, and this point to this is a 16.68 millimeter. Okay, this a big circle drawing this a big circle is drawing here. This distance between origin point to this center point is a 16.68. This diameter is a 41.7 millimeter. Okay, this is body is a mirror, and select about this okay, and okay, and connect to a center point. This is this point to this and again this point to this. Okay, all portion extra portion is delete here. Power trim is used here. Select this okay, and all is okay. This is a perfect and correct. Okay, and use a extrude boss base. This thickness is a 2.5 millimeter. Okay, and this use this thickness is a 2.5 millimeter. This is a 2.5 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and okay, and again select this face, sketch, normal. Okay, this face, sketch, normal. Draw a center line. Connect to this midpoint to this midpoint. Okay, circle is a drawing here. This and this is a 10 millimeter diameter. Okay, and line is a connect here, connect to this point. This to this to this. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a perfect drawing here. This diameter is a 10 millimeter. Okay, diameter is 10 millimeter, and this thickness, this distance is a 8 millimeter. Okay, this distance is a 8 millimeter, and this point to this distance is a 8 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and some use trim entities, and this is a select a trim closest, and this is a both is a trimmed. Okay, and all point is perfect, and this use a extrude. Okay, this is a perfect. okay, and also sketch and use a extrude cut, and extrude cut is a 2.5 is perfect, okay, and okay, but this is a this face sketch normal, drawing a center line is this, okay, this is this, again select a mirror is a this, cut out is a select here, okay, this is a construction line, this is use a mirror is select this, okay, this cutout is a okay, but some delete here, okay, and this is a, and this use a edit and normal, and draw a center line is this, okay, and select a mirror is all select here one by one, okay, and select about this, okay, and click okay, and okay, this cutout is a perfect and correct. And next is of this face sketch normal, drawing a circle is a this, and one by one is all center point, draw a circle is big circle is drawing here, and this dimension is a 16 millimeter, okay, and this is a this use a 16 millimeter is cut out, and this use a 0.5 millimeter is cut out, thickness is 0.5, and all four select a, press a control button, and all four is a select here, and relation is a equal, okay, and going to extrude cut, and extrude cut is a 0.5 millimeter, okay, and okay, this is a perfect and correct, and this use a fillet, and fillet is a select a 1 millimeter, and all one by one is a select here, okay, and this is a select here, and this and also this, and this face and this face, and also select this, and also select this, okay, and 1 millimeter is perfect, okay, all is correct, okay, all is perfect and correct, and next is this face sketch normal, drawing a sum, write a letter, and center line is a drawing here, a center line is this drawing here, and again center line is a drawing here, this to this, this line is a this, okay, big line, okay, and this line select a text and write a letter. Letter is a this AHM 425 40, okay, AHM 4025, and this use a middle, and middle is a perfect, and okay. Again select this line and text, write a letter. Letter is a CAD CAE tutorial. Okay, this is a perfect and correct, and click OK, and OK. And extrude cut. Extrude cut is a, this is a 2 millimeter is better, and this thickness is 2 millimeter, and click OK. Okay, this okay, this some color is used here. This color is a black color, okay, because this you can say here a dark. And last is a drawing this face normal. Use a hole wizard, and hole wizard is used here this hole, and drill size, and a standard is ISO, and size is a 4 millimeter, diameter is 4, this is a diameter is a 4 millimeter, and this is a blind user, and this thickness is 3 millimeter. Okay, and select a position, and position is a this and this. Okay, and some dimension is used here. This point to this is a 45 millimeter. Okay, and again select this point to this is a 45 millimeter is this. Okay, and click OK. Okay, and okay. Okay, all, and use a color, and color is going to appearance metal, and going to brush, and select OK. This is a perfect and correct. Okay, and guys, all point is one by one is discussed here, and all point is learned here easily and clearly. And okay, okay guys, I hope you will learn. All point is learned here easily and clearly. And guys, next lecture is coming soon. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, today discuss here a part 11, and this is a lathe machine base, and how to this body is designed. And this part is a lathe machine base, and all view is you can see here on the screen. And this project is a base wise lathe machine, and how to at first drawing a one by one all parts is a drawing here, and last is a all body is assembled here. Okay, and this is a top view, and this is a front view, and this is a right view, and all view and all geometry is all geometry and all dimension you can see here on the screen is easily and clearly learn here. And how to use this dimension, and this body is created here easily and clearly. And guys, this lecture is very important for a beginner student and also a professional student. And guys, this is all dimension in inch. Okay, and some missing point is some missing point is also available here, and this video is a full. Okay, this video is a see a full videos, because some mistake point is discussed here also. Full video is you can see here. Okay guys, this body is okay, this is a drawing of this part, and how to this part is a one by one point is discussed here. And this all dimension is a use, and first to last is a this video is so see here, because one by one easily, and all parts is drawing here. Okay, this is isometric view, and okay, this is a back side is also perfect and correct. Okay guys, this body is a drawing easily, and one by one all point is discussed here. Okay guys, okay, let's start here. This body is design. Okay, at first going to this part, and some setting is very important, a plain white, and going to this document properties, and image quality is very high because all geometry line is looking perfect and correct. And at first this unit setting is a inch pound second IPS, and okay, all is perfect. This window surface is a design available here, applicable here. Okay guys, okay guys, at first drawing this created here, length is this at first drawing this is a thickness is 7.25 inch, and this length is a 2.75 inch, and this width is a, and height is a 1.5 inch, 1.56 inch. And okay drawing okay, plane is select here because this is a maximum drawing this, and front plane is select a better, and select a front plane drawing this center rectangle. This is a corner rectangle is select here, and okay, this and this point, and press a control button, and this line is select here, and this is a midpoint. Okay, and define a dimension. Dimension is this is a 2.75 inch. Okay, and this is height, and width is a 1.56 inch. Okay, this is a and this is a 1.56 inch. Okay, because this is a large dimension is put here, because 1.56 inch is perfect, and going to extrude boss is apply here, and this is a mid plane is select here, and this is a 7.25 is thickness, and perfect drawing here. And okay, this thickness is a 7.25 inch, perfect. Okay, and midpoint is a perfect, select here. Okay, this is a perfect drawing here, and material is apply here, and going to this appearance and metal, and this is a going to nickel, and polish nickel is perfect. Okay, all is perfect. Okay, and next is this, and this is a select this. Okay, and select here back side sketch normal. Okay, this is a perfect drawing here, and this okay guys, this point is a drawing this, and drawing this point. This is a distance is 1.25 inch, and this height is 1.75 inch. Okay, and this center is a 1 point, and this radius is a 1.38 inch, and this center distance is a 1.19 inch, and drawing this body, this part. Okay, and okay, or draw here this. Okay, and draw a line is select here, draw a line is created here. Okay, and this line. Okay, and this is this, and this is this to this. Okay, perfect is correct. and this point select this line is a relation is tangent. Okay, all is perfect. Okay, and dimension is define here. This is a 1.38. okay, and this distance is a 1.75 inch. 1.75 inch perfect, and this length is a 1.25 inch. Okay, and this distance is a and this is a delete here and drag this okay, and this is a horizontal, and this define this point, and this line is a 1.19 inch. 1.19 inches. Okay, all is a fully defined sketch here. Okay, this distance is all this dimension is looking here 1.75 inch, and this center is a 1.19 inch, and this radius is a 1.38 inch, and this is a 1.25 inch. Okay, all is perfect drawing here. And going to this extrude boss. Extrude boss is a this use a okay, and this is a up to okay, going to up to surface is perfect, and up to surface is perfect. Okay, all is correct and perfect. Okay, okay, this isometric view. Okay, correct here. Okay, and this is a perfect. Okay, and next is this face sketch here. Okay, next part is created here. This is this dimension is used here. This is a 2.25 full. Okay, and this is a drawing here. This is a 0.69 inch, and this is a 2.25 inch perfect. And okay, drawing here this face sketch normal. Okay, and drawing this this line is click here this point. Okay, and some point is okay, okay, this point is this okay, okay, this point is distance is a 2 point. Okay, at first drawing a center line, and center line is this drawing to this, and this distance is this is a 2.25. okay, and this is a 2.25 is perfect, and also this line is created here, and this is and select this line, and this point is a line is select here, and created this okay, and select this geometry is created here, and this is okay, and okay, draw Okay, draw this okay, drawing this and this is this, okay, and a curve is a drawing here, this, and created this and this point to and connect to this. Okay, okay, and this is a perfect, and this line and this line, okay, this line is a collinear and also a equal. Okay, this is a perfect relation, and both line is a collinear and equal is perfect relation is correct. And okay, and select this and okay, next point is a define this radius. This radius is a 0.69, and this line to this distance is a 2.19. okay, all is this. Okay, and this is a perfect drawing here. Mention this all is correct here. Okay, and okay, and this line is created here. This is a distance is 2.25 and 2.19, and this is a 0.69 is perfect and correct. Okay, all is perfect drawing here and all is correct. And going to this extrude boss, and extrude boss is only this is a okay, and extrude boss is this is a created here 5 inch, and going to this up to offset from surface is this. Okay, all is perfect, and 5 inch and offset from surface is correct. Okay, and okay, okay, this part is a drawing here this, and okay, and drawing here. Okay, and this is a base, and this face some color is a okay, and this okay, and this body is a color here. A body is looking perfect, and going to this and select a painted, and this is a red color, and this face is also this. Okay, all is perfect and correct. This body is created here, and next is drawing this, and next part is drawing this. Select this back side and sketch normal. Okay, and drawing this part. This part is a drawing here easily, and this part is a one by one is created here. Okay, at first drawing this center line and going to this okay, and at first drawing this center line is created here. This center line is this, select mid line, and also this center line is this. Okay, okay, this is a construction line. Okay, and drawing a circle. Circle is this. Circle is this is a select here and connect to this point, and connect to line is this midpoint to this, and trim this extra portion is delete here. Circle is a drawing here, this circle, and define a dimension. This dimension is a 1.13 inch is perfect, and this dimension is a 0.31 inch. This is a 0.3 inch is perfect, and this is a, and this distance is a, this bottom is, this distance is a 2 inch, and this distance is upper is a 2.5 inch. All is perfect drawing here, correct? All is perfect drawing here. This is a drawing this part, this distance is a 2.5 inch, and this is a big radius is a 1.13 inch, and this a small circle is a, this is a 0.31 inch, and this distance is a 2 inch. All is perfect drawing here. And select this, and all is fully defined because all is black color, and this is a going to extrude cut. Extrude boss is a this, and direction is a reverse, and this is a and this is a perfect, and this some a little 0.5 inch is better. All is correct. This thickness is a 0.5 is perfect. And select this extrude and going to this color and painted is perfect. And guys, all point is a mirror, and going to this select a plane is a right plane is better, and X mirror, and going to this is mirror here, and and next is also mirror here. This select a front plane is better, and this a mirror, and drawing this select this, select a mirror is both part is a one time is mirror here. All is perfect and correct. All is perfect drawing here, and select this. And next part is this is a, and cutout is a perfect, and select here this. Next part is this going to a cutout. Cutout is this portion is cutout, and this is a 1 inch, and this is a 1.25 inch, and this is a 1.06 inch, and this is a 1.69 inch. This portion is cut out here. This face sketch normal, drawing this line, drawing this, and this line is select here. This portion is cut out, connect to this, drawing this geometry. At first drawing this 3 line. Select drawing this center line is at first drawing a center line, because this center line is very very important, and drawing a 3 line is going to this symmetric, and also this line is drag here. This line is also, this 3 line is symmetric. And both is symmetric and both is symmetric here, and define a dimension. This is a 1 inch, and this is a 1.25 inch. And this distance is a this distance is a, this is a 1.69 inch this, and 1.06 inch, 1.69 inch, 1.69 inch is perfect. And this is a drawing here this 1.06 inch. Okay, and this line is a, this line, and press a control button, and this line is a going to, okay, and this line, and press a control button, select this line, and this is a collinear. Okay, okay, all is a fully defined because all is black color, and all is perfect. 1.25 and 1 inch, and 1.06 inch, and 1.69 inch, and all is fully defined. Okay, and going to extrude cut. Extrude cut is a, this is a, extrude cut is a through all. Okay, okay, connect to this is not okay, and okay, but this is not, this is delete, this person is delete here, and a sketch line connect to this to this, this to this is a connect here. Okay, okay, and extrude cut. Okay, this is a, okay, this portion is also okay, extrude cut through all, and this is a, okay, this extrude cut is a very very important cutting here. Okay, all is perfect and correct. Okay, okay, and perfect. And next is select this face, normal, going to this whole wizard, and whole wizard is this, and this is a very very important. Select this state tab, and this is a inch, and bottoming tapered hole is perfect, and select a size is 1/420 is perfect. Select here, this is a 1/420, and this is a blind, and this is a 0.63 is perfect, and this is a thread is a 0.5 is perfect, and this blind and 0.63, and position. Okay, select here this, and going to center line. Center line is a drawing here. Okay, center line is, this is center line is vertical line. Okay, and perfect. Okay, and this is a, okay, and this point is very very important, and define a dimension. Dimension is this, this point, and this line is a 0.75 inch. Okay, and this point is not mentioned here, but this is a very very important, and this point and this line is a 1 inch. Okay, this distance is 1 inch, and this is a 0.75 inch, and this is a mirror here, a same here, and going to mirror and select this point, and this is a line. Okay, about this, and select this, and okay, and this preview is showing here this perfect, and click OK. This is a better, and going to this document properties and detailing and shaded cosmetic thread, check here, and then all this is a thread is a showing here is perfect. Okay, all is perfect and correct. Okay, and the next part is select here this face, sketch, normal. Okay, and drawing a circle. Circle is this center line is this. Okay, drawing this portion is a cutout, and cutout is this and okay, and this is a 0.56 is better. This diameter is a 0.56. Okay, and this is a extrude cut. Extrude cut is this and apply here up to next is perfect, and select up to next is this and click OK. Okay, all is perfect. Drawing here and select a chamfer, and chamfer is a 0.075 inch and 45-degree angle is select here this and click OK. Okay, all is perfect, and click and select this face and drawing this and sketch this face, sketch, and select this inner line, and this is going to vertex, because this is a use a thread, and this is a created a thread is very important, and going to helix and spiral, and helix and a spiral is a click here, and then this at first going to this height and pitch, and going to this is a constant pitch is click here, and this height is a 4.025 inch and pitch is a 0.125 inch is perfect, and direction is reverse, and the start angle is 90-degree and clockwise. All value is a correct mention here, and this is a perfect, and this is a OK. And this path is a created here, and then profile is a created. At first going to select a plane and sketch, normal, drawing this line, drawing this profile, and going to this profile is created here. This is a okay, and profile is mentioned here this okay, and this is a delete here, and at first select this line, a profile is created here, this draw a center line, connect to this midpoint to this midpoint, and this is a vertical line. Okay, and this portion is delete here, this is a delete here. Okay, okay, and this is a very important, and dimension is mentioned here this 0.06 inch, and this distance is a 0.08 inch. Okay, and this is a relation is delete here, and this is a this and okay, this point is this. Okay, and this is perfect. Okay, and also select this angle is a 29-degree. Okay, and select a profile. A profile distance is a this and this distance is a this is a 0.06 inch and 0.08 inch, both is a profile distance. And okay, and okay, and select this point and press a control button and select this path and going to this. Okay, select this point and press a control button and select this path, and going to this appear, this is a pierce is selected and this is a correct. Okay, all is a perfect. Okay, and exit, and going to this sweep cut. Sweep cut is automatic, a profile is selected and this path is a select this, and okay, this is a, this preview is showing here this created a thread, and going to X. Okay, okay, all is perfect, and this created a thread is perfect, and this line is a hide here, and this is a perfect, and click here. Okay, all is perfect and correct. Okay, okay, and this is a perfect drawing, correct. Okay, okay, at first then all part is created here, and going to this sum is a fillet is used here, and then this fillet is a 0.12 0.13 inch is fillet, and this is a 0.1 inch fillet, and this use a, okay, all is perfect, and this fillet is used here 0.25 inch. Okay, at first select a fillet is 0.25 inch, it's select here, and going to this side, and then this side, and this is a, and this side, and all side is use a fillet is very important, because this body, this body looking is perfect and correct. This okay, one by one is all is selected, and click OK. Okay, this base, okay, and next fillet is select here this 0.13 inch, select here and click this, okay, and select this line, and select this line, and select this line. Okay, this is a, okay, and okay, and this bench wise lathe machine base, all fillet is used here one by one, and next fillet is used here this 0.001 inch, and select this all face, back side, this face, okay, select this face, and select this face, but mention here this is a delete here, one by one is this face is select here, and this face, and this face, and this is a this face, because all point is a perfect here. Okay, and click OK. Okay, and select this first, second, and 3, and going to this and this is a color here. Okay guys, all point is one by one is a learn here, and all point is a learn here is complete drawing this part and isometric view. Okay, and guys, okay, and guys, all point is one by one is discussed here, and okay, all point is perfect and correct drawing here. And guys, next lecture is coming soon, and guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. Okay, and guys, this is a very important lecture. This is a bridge of valve. Okay, and this body is this part is a bridge of valve, and this part is this is this body is drawing here, and this is a isometric view, and 3D drafting is also available here, and this is a front view, and this is right view, and this is a top view. Okay, all dimension in millimeter. And this lecture is very important for a beginner student, and this project is a very important, and this project is a stop wall project, and all parts is one by one is drawing here, and last is this all body is assembled here easily and clearly. Okay, and let's start here. This body is design. Okay, this body is designed here, and this is a color, this material is a brush, and how to this body is easily and clearly. Okay, and back side is this, and also this thread is apply here, and thread is also very nice looking here. Okay, guys, this body is a perfect drawing, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly today discuss here. Okay, let's start here. This body is design. Okay, at first select this part, and some setting is very important, and all dimension in millimeter, grams second. Okay, this is a perfect, and use a plain white. Okay, and going to option is a document properties, and image quality is very high because all geometry line is looking perfect. Okay, and okay, at first drawing this body, help of this to the drafting. At first drawing this geometry, and this distance is 19 millimeter is radius, and this distance is 14 millimeter, and this distance is 28 millimeter, and this is a 10 millimeter, and this is a 26 millimeter, and this red color 6 is a revolution 6. This is a pitch, and this is a height and pitch, and height and revolution. This revolution is 6, this turn is 6, and this is a 50 millimeter height. This thread is used here. This 50 millimeter is this both side is a fillet is used here, and this length is a okay. At first drawing a plane is a better is a right plane. Okay, two line is a reference line is drawing here one by one, because this line is very useful and helpful. Okay, and okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and this is a relation is a coincident, and this is a horizontal, and this is a coincident and vertical, both is a perfect. Okay, and at first select a line is a this is a drawing this okay, and perfect and correct. Okay, and drawing this select this this geometry is a drawing here, and this curve is a drawing this, and select horizontal line, and this is a connect to this, and this is a very important. This geometry, this drawing simple drawing here, and align a dimension. At first drawing this distance is 19 millimeter is full length, and 14 millimeter is half this length. Okay, this distance is a 14 millimeter. Okay, and this distance is a 90 millimeter. This distance is a 28 millimeter. Okay, and this distance is a okay, this is a 26 millimeter. Okay, all is perfect. And okay, and also this distance is a 10 millimeter. Okay, all is a black, all is fully defined. Then all is a black color, means this is a fully defined and all is correct. Okay, and this is a perfect. This is a radius, this is a 14 millimeter and 19 millimeter, 28 millimeter and 10 on 26, all is a perfect. Okay, all dimension is perfect. And going to this revolve boss base and select this axis, and okay, all is perfect. Okay, okay, and this is a perfect and correct. Okay, all is a perfect. And again select this face sketch normal, and again select again drawing this body. Then this is a, this height is 120 millimeter, this is a 76 millimeter, and this is very very important. This circle is drawing here 60 millimeter diameter, and this is a 24 millimeter, and this is a cutout is a, this 34 millimeter is a, this use a thread. Okay, okay, and at first drawing a reference line, again select a, okay, both reference line is drawing here. Okay, connect to this reference line is very very important, and draw a circle. Circle is drawing here this two circle is drawing here. First is a diameter is a 60 millimeter, and second is a diameter is 24 millimeter. Okay, and connect a line. A line is a tangent and connect to this, and again select this line and mirror entities and press click a mirror about this, and okay, and again select all, press a control button and all is a select here one by one, and use a mirror entities and going to this mirror about this, click OK. Okay, and align a dimension. Dimension is this point to this point, distance is a 120. Okay, and this point to this point distance is a 76. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and this is a perfect and correct. Okay, all is a perfect. All is black color, means this is a fully defined, and all is a, this is a tangent line. Okay, all is correct. And okay, this geometry is a perfect. This is a 120 millimeter and 76 millimeter, and this is a drawing a circle 60 millimeter is diameter and 24 millimeter diameter, and then use this 34 millimeter is last, or use a thread, and going to this extrude cut and apply a extra portion is delete here. Okay, and select this and this. Okay, and through all extra portion is delete here, and okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and again select a fillet, use here a 50 millimeter, and both edge is select here. Okay, and click OK. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. And again select this face, sketch, normal, or drawing a circle. Circle is this, and this diameter is a 34 millimeter. Okay, and this is exit, because apply a, okay, this is apply a helix and a spiral, and this is a perfect. And this is a use a height and revolution, and height and pitch. Height and pitch is also perfect. Okay, and this is a very important, and height is 50 millimeter and pitch is a 6 millimeter. Okay, and direction is reverse, and this is a clockwise is perfect, and angle is 0 degree, and all is perfect, because this is a very important. Height and pitch is perfect, and height is 50 millimeter and pitch is 6 millimeter. Okay, all is perfect, and reverse direction is perfect, angle is 0 degree and clockwise, and click OK. Okay, and this is a perfect, and again select a right plane, sketch, normal. Okay, and use a corner rectangle, and draw a corner rectangle is drawing here, and this distance is a 3 millimeter is a length, and 3 millimeter is also height. Both is equal, because this is a 3 millimeter is a length and height. Okay, and this point, press a control, select here and press a control button, and this use this line, select here and use a pierce. Okay, this is a black color, means this is also fully defined, and exit, and use a sweep cut, and sweep cut is also select here, automatic select here this profile, and path is a select here this path. Okay, all is perfect, and all is correct, and click OK. Okay, this is a, okay, this line is a hide, and this thread is also drawing here easily and clearly, and going to this material is apply here, and metal, and brush is a polish brush is perfect. Okay, and also this is a select here and going to this aluminum, and okay, this is a perfect, but going to this select here, and material is a, okay, select here and going to this appearance, and this is a black color, means this is a perfect. Okay, also very nice looking here, and also this is a perfect, select body and appearance, going to this color and going to this. Okay, okay, this is a looking perfect, and isometric view. Okay, all is a looking perfect and correct. Okay, and this is a very nice looking here. Okay, okay guys, and all geometry and all line is a use here, and all is perfect and correct. Okay, and guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos, please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a use a SolidWorks software and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And this project is very useful and helpful, and this project is a background student is very helpful. Okay, this is a 2D drawing, front view and section view is draw here, and one by one is this project is design here, and this project is created here one by one, and all point is one by one is discussed here. Okay, all dimension in millimeter, and this cell is 2 millimeter, and at first drawing this line and 72 millimeter, and this is a 45 millimeter and 36 millimeter, and this fillet is used here, radius is 20 millimeter. Okay, at first select a plane is a front plane, and use this line is created here, and okay, and this is this. Okay, this is a very useful, and this is a 45 millimeter is correct, and this is a 36 millimeter is correct, and this point and this point distance between a 72 millimeter is correct. Okay, and again this use a sketch fillet is used here, 20 millimeter is correct. Okay, this is a perfect, but all is a this is a black color means this is a fully defined and exit, and next is use here a right plane, and right plane is sketch and normal, draw a line is drawing here this point to this, and use this and mention dimension, this is 72 millimeter, and this is a 36 millimeter, and also sketch fillet is used here, this 20 millimeter and correct, and this is a exit, and two line and two plane is discussed here. First plane is front plane and second is right plane, and two line is created here, and then this is a very important point is discussed here, and this use a project curve is select here, and use a sketch on sketch. A sketch on a sketch is a select, and this line is click here, and this preview is showing here, and this project curve is very important. Okay, and this is a very important project curve is used. Okay, and this is a use a swept boss and use a circular profile. Guys, circular profile is a 2014 version of SolidWorks available. Okay, this circular profile is a 2014, above the 2014 version of SolidWorks is available here, and below the 2014 version of SolidWorks is not available. Okay, above the 2014 version of SolidWorks this circular profile is available here, and this this is a select here, and this is a 15 millimeter is correct, because this is a use a 15 millimeter, and also this is a 15 millimeter, and this is a use a this 15 millimeter is hole is created here. Okay, okay, all point is correct, this is a, and this line is hide because this body is looking perfect. Okay, and this is cell is a use a this is a 2 millimeter, and this is a use a this. Okay, and preview is showing here. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, And one point is also discussed here. This is a right plane is select here and use a mirror, and this is a use a body to mirror, not a face to mirror. Body to mirror is select here and select this. Okay, this is a perfect, and select body, and this preview is showing here, and this merge solids. Okay, this click. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, all is looking perfect, but also next is this, and this is a 25 millimeter is this circle is drawing here, and this offset is a 25 millimeter, and use a 5 millimeter is thickness. Okay, and select a. Okay, one point is also use here. This a fillet is used, and fillet is a 5. This is a constant size fillet, and 5 millimeter is correct, and use a this, and use this is a curvature continuous is very important. Okay. Okay, and next select a sketch, drawing a normal, and drawing a circle. Circle is a this. Okay, this circle is drawing here, and mention dimension is a 25. Okay, and select a extrude. Okay, one point is missing here, and this is a sketch. Select and convert entities is select here, and then okay, use a extrude boss base, because this is a, and this is a 5 millimeter is thickness, and offset is 25. Okay, 5 millimeter is thickness, and offset is 25, and use a offset 25 millimeter is inward direction. Direction is a inward. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and okay, this is a correct. Okay, next is a use is this, and this point is a select a, and at first select this 5 millimeter, and direction is a okay, this is a correct. Blind inward direction, and also offset is also inward direction, both is inward is correct. Okay, and next is a this selector, and use sketch and drawing a normal. Okay, and use a center rect. Okay, and use a center point slot, and use this is a state slot is used here, and click this point to this, and okay, this is correct, and this is a 15. Okay, and this point is very important, and sketch this, and this point to this is a, and automatic select here, and this is a 15 millimeter, and 5 millimeter is this, and 7.5 millimeter is this, and thickness is 10 millimeter is correct. And draw a circle. Circle is drawing here this, two circle is drawing, and again select a two circle is a drawing here, and some relation is this upper circle, and press a control button, and then the circle is equal, and below the circle, and this circle is a equal. Okay, and mention dimension is a 7.5, and again this is a 5. Okay, all is perfect, and some trim command is used here, and trim is portion is trim, and this is a trim. Okay, and okay. Okay, and exit and use a extrude boss, but some point is also missing here, and this point is also use a convert entities, and select this and select this, press a control button and select this, both is a convert entities, and select sketch and use a and this is a correct. Okay, okay. Again extrude boss and select this, and one by one is this, and also select this. Okay, and thickness is a 10 millimeter, and thickness is all 10 millimeter. Okay, and direction is inward. Okay, this is a okay. Okay, this is a select here, and extrude boss base, and direction is inward, this, and also this. Okay, this is a perfect, and direction is a this is a 10 millimeter, and direction is inward. Okay, and okay. Okay, all point is correct. Okay, next and last is a this is a use a thread. All point is clear, easily clear here, easily learn here, and last is a thread, and thread is a this is a thread is a 18 millimeter is offset length, and 2 millimeter is offset, and 80 millimeter is a length, and okay, and also some fillet is used here, fillet is used, and this is a perfect, and 5 millimeter is this, also 1 millimeter is better, and this is a this, and this, and this. Okay, and click OK. Okay, this also fillet is used here. Okay, and next is a thread is used, and thread is a this is a this line is selected, and this edge is selected. Okay, and this is a face is also select. Okay, and use a metric tab is a metric to die, metric die is better, and this is a 22 is 2, 22 is 2, and 27 is a 2 is also. Okay, and this length is a 18 millimeter is correct, and also this is a perfect, and this is a 32 is, and select here a 32 is, this is a okay, 22 is okay, good, 22 multiplied 2 is correct, and offset is 2 millimeter, and direction is inward, direction is outward, okay, and also this is a 20 millimeter is correct, also 24 millimeter is correct, 22 millimeter is better, okay, this is a perfect, and okay, okay, this thread is very important, is used here, and this is a color is change here, okay, this is a change, okay, this is a looking very nice, and all color is change here, and this is a metal and use a bronze, okay, this is a perfect, use a cartoon is apply here, okay, this is a perfect, and all point is one by one is discussed here, okay, this is a perfect, body is isometric view is also better, okay, this is a looking perfect, and also nickel is also better, polish nickel, copper, and then use this aluminum is also okay, and bronze, chromium, okay, brush, okay, brush is a very nice looking here, okay, okay, okay guys, I hope you will learn all point is discussed here easily and clearly, and guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment, and guys, get at first more and more new videos, please subscribe this channel and like and share, okay guys, thank you.